talk about some grocery life hacks. Ways to make your grocery experience cheaper, better, and just greater. Okay, like just bring greatness to groceries. First thing, make a grocery list. You tend to buy the same thing over and over again. You need to start knowing what those things are. Because when you have a list, it helps you actually compare prices across your different grocery stores. Second thing, buy in bulk. The price per kilogram, price per gram, price per whatever quantity it is, it's just better when it's larger. So try to buy in bulk as much as possible. And then final thing, pick the same day to go grocery shopping. Now you'll find that most people, at least in this part of the world, in Nigeria, you find that Fridays and Saturdays are actually pretty busy. You might be in other countries, say like Qatar, where Thursday is actually a busy night. But wherever you are, know the busy time, and Reach actually tells you, we send tips on the best days to go grocery shopping. For us, we like Tuesdays and Thursdays, one, because it's not as crowded, but two, it gives us more breathing room to move around, think clearly, and stick to the list. So remember, 3 life hacks. 1, make a list. 2, buy in bulk. 3, go on the same day every time. Cheers.